Good day, everyone. On behalf of Group 1, I am Janelle J. Trajano discussing about the narrative of the following videos. Group 1's love sessions transformed into animated, hands-on workshop where students brought sustainable design concepts to life through creative model making. Their project featured two main components, a functional propeller and a small eco-friendly house, both built with intention and care. Cardboard formed the foundation of the tiny home chosen for its sustainable and versatile quality. Students selected sheets of varying thickness and shaped them using scissors for delicate details and craft knives for more robust bark. These materials allowed them to construct stable walls, roofs, and interiors elements with precision. To introduce the functionality and the touch of modern design LEDs were integrated into models. These small but powerful light sources were connected with neatly arranged wires stripped and joined using pliers. Electrical tape ensured safe connections, and some design included a switch, an intentional node to user interactions and energy control. Aesthetic details further elevated the models. Colored paper brought vibrancy to both the interiors and extensions, while miniatures artificial plants added a natural touch, representing harmony between technology and nature. The glue gun, stable throughout the process, served as the primary adhesive, securing everything from the crucial element to fine decorations. Together, the students were reflected and thoughtful, balance or creativity, sustainability and functionality, bringing their vision of eco-conscious living to life on a miniature scale.